Hi again, everybody. It is Monday morning, September 20th, 2021. Uh, did the Astro Excel and Cosmo 9 projection for the week on yesterday's video, so you can go check that out. I want to go to the Vedic chart this morning. You can see we have the large white B2 window here where we've been trading down. We expect a low in this window here, and that low would most likely come in one of these other two windows where I've drawn the rectangular uh, box there. The one box is for the bright green B1 window here, and the other box is for the A2 white window here. The vertical lines are lining up with the white and bright green boxes in the A1 panel here, where we expect significant pivot points to land. So right now we are trading down with the continuation of the overnight. Our last turning point was the 14th. We got a 1 day up move and then it rolled back over. Today is the 20th. That coincides with the next turning point on the daily chart. So we expect today to be a turn day, and we have already made a new low in that window. So it's just a matter of when we turn. So it's likely that we'll bottom out somewhere in the green window here and then start to move upward from there. Here's the look at the shorter term Cosmo 9 chart. The indicators now in Ninja. You can see since trading open here last night, these Cosmo 9 triggers, we got a high, we got a low, we got another low, then we got a high on the bigger Cosmo 9 bumps in the indicator. So you can use that for the rest of the day. Coming over to the rainbow, here's the rainbow chart. That big white box is drawn in here. That starts around 10 after 10, and that goes to about 2100 tonight, 2115 or so. I've got the rest of the rainbow turn times in for today: 540, 724, 833, 907, another one 1220, again 1640. A little too late, and then tonight the last one in the windows kick in at about 1925, 1928. Then a quick look at the pH. Method 2 identifiers between 639 and 748, or 648, and then 740, 1042, afternoon 1355, and 1448. Those will be the keys there. Back to the Vedic chart, I added a line at 1044. That's the pH end of the morning blue segment, and then that's also coincident with one of the rainbow triggers inside the big green block window. So that's your primary timing for today. Refer to yesterday's video for more key points from the 30-minute chart with the Astro Excel and the Cosmo 9 indicator. But there you have it. There's the plan for today. We'll be back again Tuesday with another video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to enter the contest.